In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to use Claude AI to build a website from the scratch. So guys, first step, log in your account with your all information. So guys, if you can purchase a premium, you can purchase premium plan for a better result or something like this. You have this plan pro, you have max, you have free. So guys, let's get started. For example, I just have free plan version. If you want to create a website, you have this option section for prompts. You have this icon, add icon. You can upload file, you can add from GitHub, you can use project. I want to use this, guys. I want to use this, as you can see, prompts to create a portfolio website, and section for about me. I write some section here and some placer and placeholders and image and contacts option and design shot. So guys, all you have to do, just write your prompts here and click this icon, and then guys, the Claude AI, you will be created your HTML website like this, as you can see here. And then after complete all this HTML, you see this result here. This is front, background. This is your for front image background. So guys, just a way to complete all this operation, and just a way to see this page. So guys, just wait a few seconds or 1 minute or something like this, and then you will see the website completely from the scratch. Just a wait, guys, just a wait. You can see here, this is here section about and grade and about image. This is all this website, as you can see here. You will see professional website, guys, and you can also publish the website after see the result. So guys, as you can see here, just wait, this is for contact section, and then guys, this is for mobile, and then for the scrolling and animations and scroll. This is the website, looks like professional, guys. You can see here this project 1 and this project 2. This is all the website. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. I see you in another video soon. Keep watching.